If you're not receiving Telegram notifications on your iPhone, this issue is usually caused by notification settings, background restrictions, or iOS system controls. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. If you're using a VPN or proxy app, turn it off and ensure you're on the latest version. If that does not work, then follow these advanced steps. Solution 1. Check Telegram notification settings and reset. Open Telegram and go to Settings. Then go to Notifications and Sounds. Now scroll to the very bottom, tap Reset All Notifications. Confirm the reset, come back to Up. Make sure notifications are enabled for private chats, groups, and channels. This will set all chat alerts to default and often wakes up the notification system. Solution 2. Enable background app refresh. Open iPhone settings, then go to General. Now tap Background App Refresh. Ensure the main toggle at the top is Wi-Fi and cellular data. Scroll down to Telegram and ensure its individual toggle is also on. Solution 3. Check Focus and Silence modes. Go to iPhone settings, scroll down and go to Focus. Tap your active focus. Now tap to Apps. Tap Add and select Telegram to ensure it is allowed to break through the silence. Solution 4. Reinstall the app and allow re-permission. Go to iPhone settings, then tap General. After that, tap on iPhone storage. Find Telegram and tap Offload app. This will not delete your chats. Tap Reinstall app. Once reinstalled, open Telegram. If prompted, tap Allow when it asks for notification permission. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram and iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.